Well, show me how you're making Daddy's cake. Because you're doing a really good job. Mia, you gonna put some more sprinkles?
I can see.
Mom is taking a movie of you making Daddy's cake. Can you say happy birthday, Daddy?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
That was wonderful, Eric. What about you, Mia? Can you say happy birthday, Daddy?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Woo! Good job. Are you guys making Daddy's cake?
Yeah.
What are you putting on the cake?
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles. We put some and then we taste them? You're just making sure they taste okay? Okay. Well, we did a real good job on the cake. Say, love you, Daddy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Mia, say happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Daddy.